Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for beauty and cosmetics business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing you have to do is sign up for free so you can get started free. So here it will take you to this page here, to the dashboard. Okay, wait a few seconds. So here you're gonna set up your website and the storefront. So click here and it will take you to the editor page. Okay, so here where you're gonna design and customize your website. First click on the settings and go to the templates. So here select the templates you wanna use. Okay, so for the cosmetics you can just select the apparel. Okay, and uh, or health and beauty. Okay, I'm gonna choose this template. So the first thing here you have to do, go to the header and the menu and go to change your site logo, your site name. After this you can customize the navigation menu. In the design here you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive so anyone can visit your site or your home page. So do whatever you like, just make sure your site is attractive to anyone. So don't forget the simple details like the font, okay, like the size and like the color, like if you want to add the frame outline it's more attractive, the background. Okay, now let's go back and let's move on to the next section. So here you have to add the tagline, you have to add the title and attractive description that matches with the title. For example, you can type welcome to our site to introduce your website or your business. Welcome to our site for beauty and cosmetics. Okay, that's it, just a short description like this. If you want to change the image, just go to the browser and select an image and upload it from there. And the design here, select your favorite one. Don't have uh, to add the background like this color here, you can change it. Okay, so that's it. After you're done, go to the title, the same thing here, change the color, the description, the same thing. uh, okay, that's it. Now let's go back and let's move on to the next. So here in the store section you have to create your own product. So go back to the dashboard and add your products or services. So as you see here, click new product and add your product gallery. Add the name of your products, the REF, the weight on kilogram, and customize the prices options. And don't forget the description of your product here. So that's it. Let's go back to the, if you're done from here, go back and complete the design of the background and the title, the product name, the product image. So that's it. Let's go back now. Let's move on to the next section, the customer reviews. Here you can add the review. If you want to add the review text, the other name, the design here you can choose your favorite one. So I'm gonna choose this and change. You can change the background. Okay, the next section, the about section, the same thing. You can change the description, the title, so you can do whatever you like. Just make sure you know what you are doing here. The description, it should be match with your business. If this description here match with your business, you can just keep it like this. Okay, now let's go back and let's move on to the next. The same thing here, the title, the same thing as normal, the description. If you want to change the image, just from the browser. Okay, uh, the layout, you can choose your favorite one. Okay, now let's go back. Let's move on to the delivery information. The same thing as normal, add the subtitle, add the title, and don't forget the description here. The same thing in the design. You can try you can choose your favorite one. Okay, let's go back. Let's move on to the next, the image. So the same thing as normal, add the tagline, the title, and the description, and attractive description that match with your title. The same thing in the design section. Okay, that's it. Let's go back. Let's move on to the next, to the contacts section. So here you can try change this title, the same thing in the description. Here you have to add your business address and your postal address or the plus code. You can add image if you want, add the daily hours, and don't forget the phone and the email, your contact information, and the social profiles. And the layout here, you can choose your favorite one, like this layout of the map here. Let's go back and let's move on. This is the last section. So here you have to enter your company name for the copyright. Okay, so if you're done from designing your website, you can just click here add section and select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. So that's it. If you're done from designing your website, just click here publish, and your site, it will be published. Now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.